everybody. It's December 12th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's, and this is your morning TA. A brief glimpse in the crypto market where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has inched up to 27 from yesterday's 26. Bitcoin dominance is 38.7%. 24-hour volume is 32 billion. Heartbreakingly low. And the overall market cap, 843 billion. Give or take 100 million. Well, here we are at what this humble piano thinks is the biggest week of the year and the turning point of this bear market. Now, whether she starts to go up or she has another leg down, well, still up to the financial gods and monsters that distort the concept of free market capitalism. Of course, I mean the Fed and their monopoly on violence and blood money will be coming out on Tuesday with the CPI don't care number. It's a basket of lies gaslighting you into thinking inflation isn't high, or it's less high than how high you thought it was. And the next day we'll get the FOMC, I can change the world in one meeting, which will forecast the private bank's ambition to drive the economy down, which means making everyone within it as poor as it can. And when everyone is bankrupt and unemployed, they can pat themselves on the back on a job well done. I can't remember the last time these announcements fell back to back. But the timing of it's pretty great because retail sentiment is dying of boredom. And a little hijinks and calamity before the year end may be just what the doctor ordered. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, we can see she didn't like the view from her 17.2-ish penthouse. So after looking out the window in silence, coffee in hand, she dropped the cup and dove through the 20 and the 50 moving average, finding a bottom and a bounce at 16.8, and has since watched herself gavotte back up to a time of production, 17K, which has been our home base level of resistance since the beginning of the month. Now, when people ask me, is there anything you can do to change the communist puppet dictator that the WEF has put in control of your country, pianomattyb? The answer to that is easy. It's been something I've been doing for the past 20 years. And if everyone did this, well, the puppet party would be gone tomorrow. And that something is that a dad alert? Yes, it is. Seems we've carved out a cute little bear flag, and the price probability of this pattern is, and sing it with me now. You take the pull, you slide it all, the breakup point, and then we're all at 16.5. But first, we might get some support at 16.7 level. At the 200 moving average, that would plant us firmly in the center of the word mincer channel. Now, over on the ding-dong, we've cozied back up to the 20 moving average, and this is the level to keep your peepers on, because a breakdown from here will likely engage a move down to retest channel support at 15.7. Why you gots to? And I gots to because of the announcements this week. All these levels are on the table, even 17.9 and egads, 19K. Yes, if the market reacts bullish to Jerry Pow Pow, Ripple case gets settled at the same time, we could even see 19K. But to err on the side of safety and caution, when the dust settles after the announcements, I do believe we'll revert back to the mean at 17.2-ish. But it'll be bumpy till we get there. Quick look at the Wookiee. Sees we close red by the hair of our chinny chin chin yesterday, painting in a hanging cross, a telltale sign of market Xanadu, where the bulls and the bears agree that they're both happy with the price. But it does add credence to my free throw analogy on 4 cheese. So let's see if that crosses the peak of our free throw, which of course will land way down at that which once went will get kindred still. Ah yes, the angelic voices of the children's choir of enchanted wicks, letting us know that the ball could land and sacrifice that wick down at 15.4. Ouch, let's recap, shall we? The 4-hour chart has a cute little bear flag with a potential price probability of 16.5. The ding-dong is hoping to hold above the 20 moving average as to not engage the wrath of channel support down. 15.7 with some heartbreakingly optimistic targets of 17.2 and even 19K, depending on the fundamentals coming out this week. And the Wookiee closed red with a hanging cross reinforcing the free throw theory, which could see his candle stick the wick down at 15.4. Finally, we have one senator, Tommy Emmett, calling out Dirty Gary Gensler, asking him to answer questions in his role in the everything collapse of FTX. And if for some reason you had a glimmer of hope that this game that is rigged against you has a glimmer of hope to course correct and empower the retail trader to build wealth and financial security for themselves, Dirty Gary Gensler replied, nah. So keep your eye on Tommy, though. Someone please have those brakes checked out. Because when you tap on $1 trillion porcelain piggy bank, it has a tendency to wear your brakes out. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing me out now. I'll run the banks of boom to spang. Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa. Ching. Make sure you like and subscribe.